Hello, what's up? And today, I spent all of my time studying taxation law. And to be honest, it sucks. And uwi ako. I'm going back home and still I'm going to answer some bar questions about taxation law. Which sucks because I am really interested with the subject. However, unfortunately, my professor, hindi ko naman siya sinisisi, but it's just a fact, wasn't able to come to classes. Siguro kasalanan ko din kasi dapat nag-self-study ako. But the thing is, with self-studying is that it's very, it's a field that I'm really not accustomed to or I'm not knowledgeable about. So anyway, alam ko naman 5 questions lang sa bar. But the thing is, it's frustrating when you're studying something that you don't get. And it sucks because I'm not used to it. Anyway, I'm gonna hold on to this frustration. I'm gonna study it even harder so that finally, maybe I can understand it better. I don't know really, to be honest. I don't want to sugarcoat. I feel really bad right now. And it's not fine. But I'll keep going on. Yun naman lang, it's been a while since nag-upload ako sa YouTube. And it sucks. Yun nga. Pero usad tayo, usad. Mamba out. Peace.